Okay, that was the cube we were solving, right? So this is another one, but I just want to show you something on this one, like part of the theory, right? So the only thing you need to know to finish off the cube, with only one exception, is this four-step movement, or you can call it the four or trick or whatever you want. Huh? Now, and it's really simple, like 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is enough to finish off the cube. The main amazing thing about it is, like, if you do it 6 times, the cube will recover. Let's make it another time, like 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Another time, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, my edge pieces are recovered already. And if I do it 3 more times, the whole thing will be solved. Watch. 1, 2, and 3, right? That's a miracle. I don't think so. Anyway, so this is the, like, this kind of movements, I call them direct fourth things, or tricks, right? You just need a master doing that fast, right? Because, like, okay. Now, the same thing you can do backwards, because, like, if you make it forward, right, like this, to undo it, you just need to do the same thing but backwards, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And now if you do this backwards 6 times, you can solve the cube again, right? Edge piece is solved 3 more times. Okay, so now just master this as well, like this is backwards. Nope, already done. Okay, let's continue solving this thing. So we're going to use this 4-step tricks to solve these 3 edge pieces, right? So anyone, it doesn't matter which one you solve. Maybe yellow and orange or anyone. Let's say I can see that if I move it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I solved this one. And this is enough. You can solve any piece. Let's say you want to solve this one, right? You can solve it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this one will be solved, and these ones are not. And using this 4-step thing, like, you can solve any of those pieces, but you don't destroy any other edge pieces, right? But only 2 of them will be. You might solve the all edge pieces right now, but in most cases, it's not going to happen, because there might be 3 situations after you solve one of those 3 edge pieces. It might be situational. This is the most complicated one, when you have yellow sides in the wrong place, right? So both of those edge pieces are turned over, and then they are not in the same place. So we need 2 algorithms. Actually, there is one algorithm for that, but I just don't want to bother with that, because you might have situation when those 2 are relocated, right? Or you might have a situation when you only have yellow color on the side. So you can't turn just one of those pieces, because this is a theory, part of the theory again, because any change on the cube is supposed to have its compensation on another piece, right? So if you change one edge piece and you turned it over or did something with it, it's supposed to be reflected on some other piece. Well, you might have 3 not solved. That's okay, because they compensate each other, right? But you can't have just one piece turned or on the wrong place, because if you have one piece turned only, that means somebody removed the whole thing, and then assembled it, but he didn't pay attention how he put pieces. So if you have a situation when only one piece is turned over, then you need to remove the whole thing. But it's only about the cubes, like 3 by 3, okay? 4 by 4 might have something else. Now, so first of all, you need to know how to put this yellow side in here, right? So this is a very simple thing. You do 2 4-step tricks, right? First one, you go backward, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you rotate the cube like this, and you do forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this piece is the same, and those are turned, right? Okay, and now you need to change them, because this piece is supposed to be here and this piece is supposed to be here. And this is the only exception that I was talking about before, when you can't do it using just this 4-step moves, because all the rest, like all corner pieces, we're going to solve only using this 4 steps thing, right? But only this situation when you need to change those 2 pieces, to change their locations, then you need to disassemble this part, dissolve this part, right? So what I basically do is I turn it like this. So we have those 2 colors, green and red, in opposite to this rim that we're working with, right? So we're working basically with those 2, but those 2 will be solved. Watch. Like, you need to unsolve them somehow, right? So you put green on one side and another one red on another side. At the same time, this green goes back. So now we just turn like this and you put this back. And now you already have it solved, so you just need to put that in place and you're done, right? This is a very simple thing, just 8 steps. Just remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, now 180 degree, 7, 8. See, they're not solved. One more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the only exception that you're supposed to know. Once you got all these edge pieces solved, then it's a piece of cake, I'm telling you right now. You just need to know this 4 steps trick, and that's it. And we'll see it after these messages.